Hello everyone. So in this video I will be showing you how to get the old context menu back. So first of all, open the terminal. I will put this command in the video description. Copy it, paste it here, press enter, then open the task manager, search for Explorer, right click on it, restart, and you have the old context menu. If you want to revert this and restore the new context menu, I will also put this command in the video description. Do the same thing, enter, then restart the Windows Explorer again, and you will get back the new context menu. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.